it. Made a couple of rounds with version 2 redone. As you see, metal frame. Got all this snow, but swamp wasn't quite 100% froze yet, but this should sure help here. There you see, got a decent amount, but more on the way tonight, so we shall see how this trail ends up overnight. Just out here after last night's snow, and walking down the middle where I packed, and so was the dog there, but not sinking in. Gonna just below freezing there, but maybe get out and pack again here. But I'd say around 10 centimeters of snow fell on top of this, but we had a few hours cold there. So we'll continue on our walk, but I just thought I'd give you an update. Winter wonderland here.